welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making a healthy version, if you believe it, of chips and salsa with homemade chips made out of avocados. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to start with is making the homemade avocado chips. And what I have here is just 2 avocados, which I'm going to put in a bowl and mash together. So once you have your avocados all mashed up like this, I just went and preheated my oven to 325, and I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. So I have a 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, because how do you not love cheese? 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I also have a little bit of salt and pepper. So before I put the avocado chips on the pan, I like to take a little bit of avocado oil and put it on a paper towel and just rub it all over to help with the sticking. Even though I haven't had that problem before, I just always like an extra measure. So once you've done that, then you can take about a teaspoon and just take a little bit at a time and put it on. Alright, and so this is our finished product, and I'm going to go place it in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. So while my chips are in the oven, I'm going to start on a homemade Pico de Gallo salsa, which is super simple. I have here 2 tomatoes chopped, as well as 1/2 a white onion, 1/2 a bunch of cilantro, and 1 serrano pepper. And you can just mix everything all together. And I'm also going to add about the juice of 1 lime, or it would be about 2 tablespoons. And then I'll mix it all together with a little bit of salt and pepper. And you're done. Super simple, but a lot of chopping, I have to warn you. I was crying my eyes out earlier. Alright, so this is our finished product. And also another little side hint is when you're making them, make sure you press them down quite a bit so they're very thin, or else they won't get nice and crispy like this. So what I'm going to just do now is top it up with some homemade pico, just quite a bit. And now my favorite part, trying them. Messy but very good.